You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words in English correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you on the channel. The top word here is sip, which is like when you're having a little bit of water, sip, a sip of water. Sip, it's an S sound, right? An E, a short E sound, sip. Now, the bottom word is zip. It's the same sound, all right, an E sound, but a Z sound or Z sound, Z, zip. Sip is the top word here with an S spelling S-I-P, sip, versus zip, zip. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those two correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Sip, zip. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.